Export Credit Insurance, is ECGC worth it? Hello everyone, welcome back to KSP Knowledge Hub. If you are an exporter or planning to become one, there is one question you must ask yourself before shipping goods overseas. What happens if my buyer does not pay? In international trade, payment risk is real. Buyers may delay payments, go bankrupt, face political restrictions, or simply default. For a new exporter or SME, even one unpaid shipment can damage cash flow and business stability. This is exactly where export credit insurance comes into the picture. In India, the main provider of export credit insurance is ECGC, Export Credit Guarantee Corporation. Its purpose is simple: protect exporters against the risk of non-payment from foreign buyers. But the real question is ECGC actually worth it? Or is it just another cost added to your export business? Let's understand this clearly. Export credit insurance works like a safety net. When you ship goods on credit terms, for example, 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days, you are trusting the buyer to pay later. If that buyer fails to pay due to commercial reasons like insolvency, bankruptcy, or prolonged default, or political reasons such as war, currency restrictions, or government action, ECGC covers a major percentage of your loss. In most cases, ECGC covers around 80 to 90% of the invoice value, depending on the policy type. Now, think practically. If you are exporting goods worth 50 lakhs and the buyer defaults, losing that full amount could severely impact your working capital. But if ECGC covers 85%, your actual loss reduces drastically. That's risk management. Now let's talk about cost, because every exporter thinks about this. ECGC charges a premium based on factors such as country risk, buyer risk category, credit period, and turnover. Typically, the premium ranges between 0.2% to 0.6% of invoice value. So, if you ship goods worth 10 lakhs, your insurance premium might be somewhere between 2,000 to 6,000 rupees, depending on the risk profile. Now ask yourself, is paying a small percentage worth protecting the entire shipment value? For new exporters, this becomes even more important. Many beginners do not have strong financial reserves. One default can disturb the entire business cycle. There's another important benefit most exporters don't realize. Banks prefer exporters who have ECGC coverage. Why? Because when your shipments are insured, banks see reduced risk. This improves your credibility. This can help you access packing credit, post-shipment finance, and higher credit limits. So ECGC does not just protect your payment, it also strengthens your financial position with banks. However, let's also be practical. ECGC is not a magic solution. You must declare shipments properly, follow policy conditions, report overdue payments on time, and maintain documentation. If procedures are not followed correctly, claims can be delayed or rejected. So insurance works best when exporters understand the process clearly. Now, is ECGC worth it? Let's break it down. For exporters, shipping on open account terms, absolutely yes. For SMEs entering new markets, yes. For exporters dealing with politically unstable countries, definitely yes. But if you are working only on 100% advance payment or confirmed LC from top tier banks, then you may not need it for every shipment. The key is to use ECGC strategically, not blindly. International trade always carries uncertainty. Smart exporters don't eliminate risk, they manage it. Export credit insurance is one of the strongest risk management tools available for SMEs. It protects cash flow and builds banking confidence. It gives exporters the confidence to explore new markets. Understanding ECGC is not optional, it is essential knowledge. If this video gave you clarity on export credit insurance, make sure you like this video and subscribe to KSP Knowledge Hub. I regularly share practical, real-world insights on exports, documentation, trade finance, and risk management. If you have specific questions about ECGC policies or export payments, you can connect through the channel or email. Stay informed, trade smart. See you in the next video.